Good evening. I am Mr. Heil, and I am in charge of your students' math class. So this semester I am teaching pre-calculus and pre-algebra, and I just wanted to give you a little rundown on how things are going to work. So I know I had sent out an email previously to everybody. Hopefully you got that. The purpose of the email was to let you know that because of this hybrid schedule being so weird, and your child may or may not see me frequently throughout the week, I have decided to go into more of a flipped classroom style of learning where your child will actually be watching and taking notes while they're at home. I post videos on a schedule that they would be expected to follow, and those are actually where those videos are, well, they will get the content and the notes and everything for the actual class. Now, the reason I'm doing that is because if a student is only in class for 2 days a week, there's just not enough time for them to be in class to teach them and have them practice. So my goal is to teach them out of class. That way, when they are with me, I can give them as much one-on-one or actual attention to practicing and learning as possible. So I hope that this seems reasonable to you, and I hope that it's been a decent process while you are at home with your child. If you do have any questions regarding that, please let me know. So for that, there are definitely a lot of resources that we've got to use Schoology here for. So the way I have things split up is that I do take a daily attendance. Your child should log in the first 10 minutes of every class, and that is every day, whether they're in class or not. So I have the daily attendance. It's just a Google form that they mark that they are here and who they are. After that, they should always go to the daily agendas folder. I have that split up by week and then by day so that they know in each day I have an actual agenda that goes through all of the instructions and the expectations for the day. Typically, there is a component of practice. There's a component of, or a warm-up component that they can check their work on. And then there's the homework video lesson. So in each of those folders, I have all of the materials necessary for the day and anything linked in and immediate access to any and all videos that I have created. So please make sure they are following all of the expectations and all of the agendas and are actually working through all of these videos. So it's good to listen to everything that I write or that I say because sometimes it's in those details that the connections can happen, not necessarily just writing down everything that I've written. Excuse me. So past those agendas, I more or less kept my normal setup of Schoology. And there I break, instead of by days where they'll access that every day, if they need more help, more practice, more examples, anything like that, they can access that by the actual section or going through by chapter and then by section in the book that we are working on. So in each of these folders, I have sectional folders that have other example videos, not necessarily created by me, but other example videos. They have possible links to other activities or anything just extra that could help them. So if they're lost on the topic, maybe that might be a good place to go to get some practice. And I also have notes, so blank copies of notes as well as completed notes for every single section there. But as long as they're following along with my videos that I post, they shouldn't need access to that. That would be in the case that if they're missing for an extended period or something, they can totally access that. I believe that is everything I really wanted to cover. So if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know at any time. You can certainly email me at nheil@cacalico.org. So that is nheil Heil at cacalico.org. So feel free to contact me there anytime, and I have really been, for as weird of a schedule as this is, I've really been enjoying working with the students. At least it's good to be back in the classroom, so I'm glad to see faces and being able to work with them again, and I am happy to continue working with them. So I hope that you have a good rest of your evening, and let me know if you have any concerns. Bye.